where the peat meets the pines. Short, happy, and rooted in the blue ridge. Early we roll, sky still gray. Peaks of otter light our way. Tools in tow, tanks to tend to Leesville's edge and work we send.
Where the peat meets the pines and the lids lift fine. We turn, we check, we laugh, we shine. No rush, no mess, just steady hands.
A happy day where the water stands. Pop each lid, give it a peek. Peat's worn thin, the drainage weak.
Critters blink, a heron glides. We check the sludge where the old moss hides.
Where the peat meets the pines
And the lids lift fine.
we stir, we fix, all fields aligned. No stress, no fuss,
Just work and sky, with quiet smiles as time drifts by.
Lunch on the tailgate, boots in the grass.
Time moves slow but never drags. Sun dips low, 10 tanks done. We head back west with setting sun.
Peaks of otter rise in view. Day fades out in mountain blue.
Where the peat met the